All right, in this video, we will do an example of conditional probability. Under this example, we're not going to count. So we counted in the last one. We're not going to be able to count in this one. Suppose that a box contains many tickets. So that's sort of vague, but there's just a lot of tickets in this box. Actually, it wouldn't have to be many for this problem, but anyway, suppose there are that are either blue, red, yellow, or green. So they have different colors. On each ticket is written the name Mickey, Donald, or Goofy. Suppose that 25% of the tickets are yellow. 20% of the tickets are goofy. %8 are yellow and goofy. A random ticket is drawn. A. What is the probability that the ticket drawn is goofy, given that it is yellow. So what's going on is that you have these yellow tickets, and some of those yellow tickets are also goofy. So we're asking, what's the probability that we have goofy given that we have a yellow ticket to begin with? And we use the conditional probability rule, which says that it's the probability of goofy and yellow divided by the probability of yellow. All right, so you could one way to think of this is like area. So we're taking the area that's goofy and divided by the whole area that's yellow and finding that fraction. Well, we're saying that 8% are yellow and goofy. You can just write that as 8% and divided by the number of tickets that are yellow, which is 25%. So that's 8 over 25. And if you multiply the numerator and denominator by 4, you're going to get 32 over 100, which is 32%, or you can use a calculator. B, if a ticket is drawn and it is goofy, what are the chances that it is yellow? So we're trying to find the probability of yellow given that it's goofy. So if you already know that it's goofy, what's the probability that we get a yellow? So this is probability of yellow and goofy divided by the probability of goofy. So that's our conditional probability rule. And the probability of yellow and goofy, again, is 8%. This time I'll write it as 0.08. I don't know, I felt uncomfortable writing 8%, like just 8% or 0.08 for 8%, divided by the probability of goofy, which is 20%, which is 0.20. So it's 8 over 20. If I multiply the numerator and denominator by 5, I get 40 out of 100, which is 40%.